Hi guys, this is Ankit. So if you are a custom t-shirt printer anywhere in the country and you are looking for plain 100% cotton biowashed round neck 180 GSM t-shirts, then we have varieties of 8 colors with 5 different sizes. And also these t-shirts I'm talking about are 100% genuine biowashed round neck t-shirts. You can just go through with any lab and get the results. And the reason for creating these kind of t-shirts is we want to provide for all those people who run their custom t-shirts business anywhere in the country. So we are providing for them. And apart from this, if you are looking for 100% cotton polo neck t-shirts, then we have varieties of 12 colors with 6 different sizes. And for these t-shirts also, you can just go through with any lab and get the results. These are also genuine. And now talking about rates, our rates are really attractive because we manufacture and trade with a larger quantity. So I'm sure for any of my clients, rates will not be an issue. So after this, I'm sure before you make a deal with us, you would be needing some samples. Process is very simple. You get back to me on WhatsApp, link is given below, and get the rates, pay for the sample, which are as same as the bulk price. We are not asking for extra amount, and pay for the delivery charge, which are 150 rupees for anywhere in the country, and get it delivered in 3 days. So guys, everything you see here is very simple, nothing hectic. First, we are not asking much for samples, and second, our rates are really attractive. It is worth a try. You just get back to me on WhatsApp. That's it. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.